AB is one of the sides of the square ABDE. Okay, so it's AB is a square, right? So it's ABDE. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, then they say that DE are 2 points inside a square grid, DE, and then they ask you to draw 3 lines, BD, DE, and EA to complete the drawing of ABDE. Now, before you do the drawing, right, you need to roughly visualize how this shape is going to be like. That's why I keep on pointing ABDE. You need to roughly know, right, that your D is over here and your E is over here. Okay, just roughly gauge before you start drawing. Okay, it's to give you an estimate. Now, going down to doing the drawing directly, right? Okay, so you realize that A to B, right, you have to move 2 down and 4 up. Okay, so your D is over here. So roughly your B has to go 2 down and 4 forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your D will be over here. Okay, so we're going to draw it over here. So always remember, the best way to draw when you have a square grid, right, is always to roughly gauge where is it and start counting. Okay, now your E should be over here, so I'm going to write my D over here. My E should be over here. So it should be 1, 2, 3, I start counting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your E should be around here. Okay, so this is your E. Okay, and then this is your E, and then it will join to A. So you go like this. So remember, as you are drawing, right, always count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So count like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you start connecting the rest. This is the easiest, fastest, and the most secured way of drawing it correctly. Okay, so listen to my method. Alright, done.